Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to print Google Form response summaries, either as a PDF or using a printer. First, go to Google Forms and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, open any form or quiz you've created. Click on the Responses tab at the top. To print the summary, press Ctrl P. From here, you can either choose your printer to print it directly or select Save as PDF if you want to download it. You can also copy the text or download the responses as a spreadsheet for further use. And that's it. That's how you can print or save your Google Form response summary. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.